Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Google Chrome browser on phone. And in this video, I will show you on how to ping a website through shortcut key in your Chrome browser. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up Chrome browser. After opening up your Chrome browser, next thing you want to do is to take a look at a particular website that you want to ping to your shortcut right here. Let's say, for instance, this particular website right here. So what we want to do is to click and hold down. Just click and hold down, and this is going to pump up right here. Go ahead and click on pin this shortcut, just like so. Next thing you want to do, you can also click on this again, pin this shortcut. You can do this for as many as possible websites right here. Go ahead and click and hold down, and then click on pin shortcut, or you can as well remove. It's that simple. For more tutorial about how best to use Chrome browser, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.